In October 2006, Stop the Violence, Increase the Peace Foundation held the first annual Inland Empire Violence Prevention Conferences in Moreno Valley, California. Hundreds of community, school, faith-based, and law enforcement agencies came together to discuss gangs and the growing violence in schools and communities surrounding Inland Empire neighborhoods. The conference focus was on three key issues. First, looking at the benefits of a prevention and intervention platform for community, school, and faith-based service providers. Second, building agency capacity and creating sustainability initiatives to increase the likelihood of collecting accurate data, tracking, and reporting measurable outcomes. And thirdly, developing an Inland Empire model that would serve as a hub for agencies looking to promote violence prevention as a public health model. The goal was not just to have another conference, but instead to meet, strategize, and organize clusters of agencies that could provide same-day services combined with long-term strategies both locally and across county lines. Thanks to the support of Mayor William H. Beatty, the City of Moreno Valley Unified School District Superintendent Rowena LaGrossa, her staff, Ken Schmidt and Patty Rucker, Julio Marcial, the California Wellness Foundation, Khalid Shaw, chair of the Regional Violence Prevention Coalition, and the hundreds of agencies that participated that first day, the Inland Empire Violence Prevention Coalition got off to a great start. From the first conference, we decided to meet monthly in our respective communities and quarterly with agencies at the table to share information and ideas. We also wanted to report annually at the regional conference regarding services provided, training, and logic models that would outline public policy, capacity building, and sustainability ideologies useful to the development of the coalition. In October of 2007, Stop the Violence received a $225,000 three-year grant to help provide services in the Inland Empire. Stop the Violence was able to leverage some of those funds to provide $50,000 in direct services to Moreno Valley Unified School District, providing safe passage and in-kind peer mediation and gang intervention services to the district. Stop the Violence also contracted with one of our Inland Empire providers, the PLUS program, to provide conflict resolution and anger management classes to Murrieta Unified School District and Riverside Unified School District. In April of 2008, the Regional Violence Prevention Coalition, a project of the Stop the Violence Foundation, working with regional partners, the Los Angeles Brotherhood Crusade, received two CalGRIP grants totaling $360,000. One for the African American Unity Center in Los Angeles, and the other for the Regional Violence Prevention Coalition. Stop the Violence subcontracted with four coalition agencies: Path of Life Ministries in Riverside, Pomona Boys and Girls Club in Pomona, Fresh Start Ministries in Ontario, and Community Youth Sports Foundation in South Los Angeles to provide mentoring and gang prevention services to over 200 youth and families. In February of this year, the Regional Violence Prevention Coalition and Stop the Violence Foundation, with support from the California Wellness Foundation, held a series of 4 critical meetings in Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Riverside, and Moreno Valley to discuss the creation of a $300 million 10-year sustainability initiative. This bold ring-grinding initiative would target 60 agencies to provide project incubation, program support, and funding for participating agencies for up to as long as a decade. Our real successes come with long-term commitments, not only to the youth that we serve, but to their families and sometimes to the surrounding neighborhoods. We decided to change the way we do business. Instead of competing against one another for available resources, we decided to work together and pool our efforts. Instead of praying that the budget gets signed on time each year, we decided to create our own strategies for self-sufficiency. We're under no illusions. This will be hard work. Finding common ground is sometimes difficult, but we've got to do it. So today, we'd like you to hear from some of our partners about their activities since last year.